Transferring money from RBC to BMO is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from RBC to BMO, you have to open up its RBC official website. Now, from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money from RBC to BMO. Now tap on Move Money in the navigation bar. Then tap on Transfer Between My Accounts. After that, follow the on-screen instructions. Now let's move on and tap to see its online banking process. Starting off by sign in and go to the Quick Payments and Transfer section on the right side of the page. Now choose a From and To account. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, simply click to submit. Now you can review the transfer details and click Confirm. Then, check out transferring money process between accounts at an ATM. After locating an RBC ATM and entering your PIN, select Transfer and Payment from the main menu. Now select the Transfer Funds option from here. Then input the dollar amount you would like to transfer and press OK. After that, select the From account. Now select the To account option from here. Then review and press Confirm Transfer. Now, from the Transaction Complete screen, select what you would like to do next, or if you are done.